Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a full guide on how to record a voice message by simply raising your phone to your ear in Telegram. If you want to send voice messages effortlessly, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your device. Locate the Telegram app icon and tap on it to open the application. Make sure you have the latest version installed to access all the features and settings. Step 2. Tap on the 3 stacked lines. Look for the 3 stacked lines icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the menu for additional options and settings. Step 3. Tap on Settings. Within the menu, you'll find various options for customizing your Telegram experience. Scroll down and tap on the Settings option. Step 4. Tap on Chat Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Chat Settings option. Tap on it to access the settings specific to your chat conversations. Step 5. Scroll down to the Media and Sound section. Keep scrolling within the chat settings until you reach the Media and Sound section. This is where you'll find the settings related to audio and media in Telegram. Step 6. Turn on the Raise to Listen option. Within the Media and Sound section, locate the Raise to Listen option. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on and enable the feature. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled the Raise to Listen option in Telegram. Now you can effortlessly record voice messages by simply raising your phone to your ear. Please note that this feature utilizes the proximity sensor on your device to detect when you raise your phone to your ear. Ensure that the sensor is not covered and functioning properly. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in recording voice messages in Telegram. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful guides and tips. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, enjoy sending voice messages effortlessly in Telegram.